Good morning. Good morning. So today is Monday, February the 20th, and I'm in Burlington. So this Sunday we have the African attire. And so I remember one lady, she came and she had one of these caftans here, like they have here in Burlington. And I'm just showing y'all the kind that they have. They have the kind with the ladies on the front, and they also have here, they have the headbands. And y'all, these are only $9.99. They have some beautiful colors. Here's another one. The ones with the ladies on the front have the head wraps, and the other ones just have beautiful colors. Look at that. They even have some that had like the little tie in the front, and they're all $9.99. Look at that pretty one, that pretty green. Isn't that pretty? $9.99. And so here are some more here that they have. There's another one. I like that orange and green there. And there's a head wrap with that one. That one is really pretty. That black and gold. Oh, isn't that pretty? I didn't get one because this Sunday, they did want the officers to march. Look at that one, y'all. Isn't that pretty? They did want the officers to march in, but I'm going to be in the back cooking. And so I don't want to. I'm going to stay in the back cooking. That's where I'll be on Sunday. So I won't even get a chance to see the service. Isn't that pink pretty? Look at that one. Isn't that pretty? So, but anyway, $9.99 at Burlington. So if you're having an African attire event, and now I did find some at another store. They were like $50 and $60, but they were like the two pieces, or like they had a skirt with the wrap and you just get a plain color shirt. That was one right there with the tie. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That blue, those colors. That is so pretty. But anyway, yeah, if you're looking for the African attire and you want to wear like just a muumuu like that, you can do that. Now, for church, I think if I would wear something like that to church, I might would put a belt on with it, maybe. Or wear like a black all-in-one, like a bodysuit up under it, and have pants coming from up under. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's probably how I would wear it. But since I'm going to be in the back, I'm not going to get it. Now, I do have a few of these that I got online. See, there's one right there with the tie. Yeah, so $9.99 at Burlington, and they have plenty of them. It looks like they may have just gotten it in for the Black History. I'm going to go back and get me a few, though. Like I said, I have a lot already. Isn't that pretty? Look how pretty that is. So I just wanted to stop by and show y'all $9.99 at Burlington. These muumuus that you can wear for like your African. Look, there's one with the string for your events at your church or whatever that you may have. Again, if it's a short one, just put you on a black bodysuit, or you could underneath, or you could just wear some black leggings. All right. Be blessed, y'all. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Living, breathing, living my best life. Love is on